Hi guys, this is Özkan speaking. Today I want to demonstrate RGBTO HDMI adapter. This is my setup. This is Amiga 500 Plus, and these are two monitors. And the right one, which gets 15 kHz from Amiga, and this is the adapter that I made also. And this one is the HDMI input. So let's start. So you can see the screen splashes over the HDMI. I don't have floppy, so it takes time to find floppy. It's searching, so it's waiting. This one is the tiny launcher. It's pixel perfect. This one is the also good, but not good as this one. So let's try a game. My favorite game is it's pixel perfect. Recently, sound is not supported yet. Sound is coming from this monitor.